Hi everyone, it's Miranda. Today we're going to be talking through some tall girl styling tips for denim. Let's get into it. The first thing that I want to talk about is sizing. I have a couple different options here from different stores, and as you can see, they're all at varying lengths. This is something that's really important to look at as you want to make sure your jeans are hitting you in a really great spot at the ankle length or lower. I know that this can be really difficult for some of us tall girlies, so I'm hoping to talk us through some of the tips that I've found today. Some of my favorite places to buy denim from as a tall girl, I'm 5'11" for reference, are the Gap, Abercrombie. Dynamite has some really great options, and the jeans that I currently have on actually are from ASOS, and they were so long that I had to cuff them and roll them up a little bit at the bottom, which is amazing. Usually jeans don't come long enough, so having something that's too long for me is really hard to find. These come in a 36-inch inseam, and I'm going to be talking about some other options today that come in tall and extra tall sizes as well. I typically hover around a 29 or 30-inch waist, so I know that when I'm looking for jeans, that's something that I'm looking for. However, sometimes it can depend on where you're shopping from. These first pair of jeans that I'm going to be talking about are from the Gap. These are in a long length. They're a size 30, whereas at some other retailers, I'm a 28 or a 29. Sometimes I'm even a 31. So it all really depends on where you're shopping from. These ones I love. These are in a super wide leg and a super high rise. So they actually add even more length to my legs, which I don't mind because they've become one of my favorite features about myself, even though it's something that I didn't love when I was younger. It's all about embracing your body type and finding what works for you. So these I really love because they actually touch the floor a little bit. I love to wear these with a pair of heels because they're extra long, so they drape over the bottom of your shoe a little bit, which is really nice. It's hard for me to find denim that does that. Typically they hit me right at the ankle, which is okay too. We're gonna get into denim that's at that length on you as well. These are a really great option for people, I would say, who are 5'10" or taller. The second pair that I have are from Abercrombie. This is more of a straight leg denim. These are in a extra tall length. You can tell when I compare them to these that are just in a long, the straight leg denim are slightly longer, which is really nice. A straight leg denim is great for any season. It'll carry you through spring, summer, into the fall. You can wear these any time of the year. I really like to pair these with a shoe that I want to show off a little bit more. With a loafer, they would be great. A sneaker. So these are a 29/8 extra long. They are the loose high rise. I love these. I find them super comfortable. They hit in all the right places. And typically when I have them on, they touch just above where my shoes are. The next style of denim that I want to touch on are actually a low rise. I was anti-low rise for a super long time. I just felt like they were a little too young for me. I wasn't loving them. I felt like I didn't have the body type. I don't typically like to show off my stomach, so I felt like these were a style jean that just wouldn't typically work for me. I feel like a low-rise baggy jean are actually perfect for the tall girlies, and I'm going to tell you why. These make you look a little more proportionally longer on your torso and shorter in the legs, which you don't necessarily have to do. I like the way it looks because I find that sometimes it can balance out other elements that I'm wearing. If I have an oversized poplin on, these are a really great style of denim to wear with that. They aren't super low rise, so you're still having some coverage there. These are the ultra loose low rise jean in a long size. These I would say also hit right above the ankle, kind of in the same spot that these would on me too, just because these are in a long length and these are in an extra long. So I'm pulling these up a little bit higher, but they do the same amount of work. This is something to really pay attention to when you're shopping for denim. Different styles are going to hit you in different places. So depending on how high or low you're wearing them, that's going to change the length of them too. That's why a baggier jean is a little bit nice because you can pull them a little bit lower and get some extra length out of them. That's one of my favorite tips for baggy jeans for the tall girls. The second thing I want to talk about pertaining to denim for the tall girls and styling tips has nothing to do with the bottoms, but a lot to do with the tops actually. And this is helpful for anyone of any size, any height. You can take these tips as well. So when we're looking at doing a denim on denim look, I like to go a little bit bigger and longer, a little more oversized of a look, you could say, when I'm wearing denim on top of my denim, just because I feel like, once again, it balances me out a little bit more. Since I'm shorter in my torso, longer in my legs, it gives me some extra length here and just really balances things out. Now, I feel like a lot of people don't know whether they should mix and match their denim colors or not. This is totally something you can do. I personally love doing a taupey denim color with a black, but they totally work together. Feel free to mix and match your colors. It doesn't have to be matchy-matchy all the time. This jacket actually is a little more cropped, and I like wearing this with something that's super wide leg because proportionally it makes you look good when you have something shorter, more cropped on top, and then it really adds length to my legs when I'm wearing something super long with a wide leg. Personally, that's how I love to wear things. I find that that balances things out a little bit more when you're trying to achieve a cool girl look as a tall girl. Don't be afraid to style things up and give some personality to your look, as always. Something else that I would recommend for people who are a little bit taller and having a hard time finding denim that fits them, I would say look at your local thrift store. Sometimes the men's section can be really awesome. They tend to have a little bit more length. You can find some really cool jeans that you can wear as low rise or baggy jeans. I love doing that personally as well. So it's not all in the retailers. You can go searching for some things that are a little bit different and unique sometimes as well. Never be afraid of the men's section. The men's section is a holy grail for the tall girlies because sometimes they have tall sizes in shirts as well. So when you want to cover your tummy a little bit more, maybe you're tall and you have a long torso and shorter legs, those types of styles in the men's section will also help you out a lot too. I would say these, for example, are more of like a dad baggy jean. You could totally find something like this in the men's section. They are women's, but this is more of like a men's style jean, I would say. And you can still make them look really cool and feminine. So I know I talked about it a little bit in between things, but the shoe style that you wear with your denim is also super important, not just for the tall girls, but for everyone. It's really important the shoe style and choice that you pick matches up and kind of balances out whatever style of denim you're wearing. I would say with a super wide leg denim, it's really nice to pair a heel with it because they will drag on the floor a little bit without it, which is totally fine and a super cool look if you want that as well. I wear these all the time with a low sneaker or a ballet flat, but with a heel, you're pulling them up off the ground a little bit and they're kind of covering the heel. So it gives them a really cool look when you're wearing heels, but you will feel like a supermodel if you're wearing pants that are touching the floor while you have heels on. Your legs will go on forever and it's okay to embrace that. With this style jean, something a little bit lower and baggier, you definitely want to go with a low ballet flat or a slimline sneaker. You could wear a heel with this. It's just not typically the style. We're not usually dressing up something like this. These jeans are more of a street style look, whereas I would say these are a little bit more put together. I know some of us are back into the skinny jeans. This is, I would say, a close alternative if you're not into the skinny jeans at all. It's still a straight leg denim. It's not a wide leg. It's hitting right above the ankle. You could totally wear loafers, ballet flats, slimline sneaker with these as well. In the summer, you could wear a Birkenstock, a sandal, put on a cool color sock like I have on today, and you're good to go. That's all I have for you guys today. Please comment below if you have any questions for us and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along.